Hi! In front of me is STK Life 9 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings and tap on connected devices. Now just pair your device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case Sunny, and wait for the pop-up. Then select pair in it and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking, by going back maybe, and trying again. So now as you can see, I have to click on previously connected devices and tap on this gear icon next to Sunny device. Then choose forget and tap on forget device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!